So students, in class 12th, subject chemistry, unit 1st, solid state, today's topic is calculation of spheres in unit cell. Spheres means constituent particles. So as you know, there are three types of unit cells, important unit cells: SCC, BCC and FCC. So first of all, we have to consider the participation of spheres in different unit cells, among different unit cells. देखिए, इसको एक क्यूब मान लेते हैं. इस क्यूब में 8 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं. हमको इसके डिफरेंट लोकेशंस पर प्रेजेंट स्फीयर और कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स के बारे में पढ़ना है. तो देखिए, अगर कोई स्फीयर क्यूब के कॉर्नर पर प्रेजेंट है, तो कॉर्नर पर प्रेजेंट स्फीयर कितने यूनिट सेल को टच करेगा. इसी तरह का एक क्यूब हम इधर से लाएंगे, एक क्यूब हम इसके सामने से लाएंगे और एक क्यूब इस क्यूब के सामने से लाएंगे. तो 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 4 unit cells are placed above this. 4 यूनिट सेल इसके ऊपर होंगी. तो हम ये देखेंगे कि ये क्यूब के कॉर्नर पर प्रेजेंट स्फीयर 8 यूनिट सेल को टच करता है या 8 यूनिट सेल में कॉमन होता है. इट मीन्स इट्स 1/8 पार्ट goes to each unit cell. So now the second types of arrangement is edge. Sphere present at the center of edge. As you know, a cube has 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A cube has 12 edges. And the sphere present at the center of edge touches to how many unit cells? One from here and one from here, one from here. Means a sphere present at the center of edge touches to 1, 2, 3, 4 unit cells. So its 1/4 part goes to each unit cell. Now come to the sphere present at the center of face. As you know, a cube has 6 faces, 4, 5, 6. So a sphere present at the center of face will touch to 2 unit cells. One this and one come from here. So the sphere present at this point at the center of face will touch to 2 unit cells. So its half part goes to each unit cell. Now come to the sphere of 4 types. The sphere present at the center of body, center of cube, will touch only 1 unit cell. क्यूब के सेंटर में प्रेजेंट स्फीयर केवल इसी यूनिट सेल को टच करेगा, इसलिए इसका होल पार्ट गोज टू द सेम यूनिट सेल. नाउ कम टू द कैलकुलेशन. सिंस देयर आर 3 important types of unit cells, first SCC. In SCC, as you know that spheres are present only at the corner. Only at the corner of cube. So calculation, there are 8 spheres at the corner of cube. So equal to 8 into 1/8, because its 1/8 part goes to each unit cell. So equal to 1. So we can say that SCC unit cell is made up of 1 sphere. Or in a crystal lattice, the number of SCC unit cells is always equal to the number of spheres. If it contains 100 spheres, it means it contains 100 SCC unit cells. Now come to BCC. As you know that BCC is the structure in which spheres are present at the center of body along with the corner. BCC में स्फीयर क्यूब के कॉर्नर के साथ साथ क्यूब के सेंटर में भी प्रेजेंट होता है. नाउ कम टू कैलकुलेशन. 8 spheres, 8 at the corner equal to 8 into 1 upon 8 equal to 1, and 1 at the center means its whole part, 1:1 goes to same unit cell 1, and this is 2, total 2. So we can say that a BCC unit cell contains 2 spheres, or a BCC unit cell is made up of 2 spheres, or we can say the number of BCC unit cell is half of the number of spheres. If 100 spheres are there, 100 structural units are there, it means 50 BCC cells will be there. Now third type is FCC. In FCC, as we know that spheres are present, at the corner along with the center of each face. Since there are 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now calculation. 8 at the corner means 8 into 1 upon 8 equal to 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 at the center of face equal to 6 into 1 upon 2 equal to 3. So total is 4. So we can say each FCC unit cell contains 4 spheres, or number of FCC unit cell is equal to 1/4 of number of spheres. If 1000 spheres are there in a crystal lattice, it means it contains 250 FCC unit cells. So this is the calculation of spheres in different types of unit cells. Okay.